Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a 1 gallon jacketed union process attritor. I know many of you are familiar with them. It has a 2 horsepower drive and there, it's got a little sticky button, which is a Reeves Vary drive, and also has this closed cover which has a seal in it, so we don't want to run it too long, but we're going to show you. Can actually just pick this up while we're rotating. Let's take a look in there, Jim. And there's your agitator running in there. So this is a relatively tight little seal on that. It has a variable speed drive. If we come around this side, up top you'll see it's got a tachometer. Has a timer down here, which is working. The Vary speed drive, of course, is manual. You'll see your speed start going up on the tachometer.
400 almost.
We don't want to run it too long without, the seal by itself. And you'll see that it will accept a gas fill if you're grinding in some type of inert, using an inert gas in there. Of course, the jacket inlets on each side of the 1 gallon container. It does have a spare agitator right here.
Perfect.
It's on a nice little factory stand. Stop-start controls. We're operating on 460 volt, but it is dual voltage. We have lots of equipment in our stock for process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.